I am Prakash Babu. I am a biochemist by profession. I am residing at Anna Nagar. We had a earlier house which was to be demolished because of flooding. And when we started planning for this house, my son, daughter, son-in-law, daughter-in-law, all of them recommended to have a lift so that when we get older, it will be easier for us to reach the terrace and so on. So as we planned, we allotted a space for the lift. Later on, we decided on various quotations and then landed up on elite elevators. As we proceeded, the installation went on very well, and we are very happy with the performance. We have no complaint. Everything is nice, and in fact, my grandson is playing with all the colors and so on. He is so much excited about the colors of the lift. So the lighting. So it's something very nice. Added value. I should thank the elite elevators for that. We are very happy about the lift. It will be very useful for all the oldies, especially the people who have a problem in climbing upstairs. This will be a really comfortable point. The company kept up their promises. The installation, everything were done in time and handed over in time as promised. And the performance also is where we are very happy about it. I would strongly recommend it to anybody who is in need of a lift. The lift is very safe, easy to operate even by children, and there's current failure or something like that, it goes and lands up in the nearest floor as it should be. So it's safe to operate. And my grandson and all is very happy about the color change and so on. On the whole, the family is very happy about it. Elite elevators, I would recommend to anybody because of all aspects. Thank you.